Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. This is a channel all about lightworker strategies. I am your lightworker tutor, and I can help guide you on this path of how to use the frequencies for healing, for health, for prosperity. But right now, we're going to discuss your water intake. What kind of water do you drink? Is the best water mineral water, alkaline water? What is the best water to drink for health and prosperity? So, this is the 3 reasons why you should drink distilled water. First of all, if you're new to the Golden Circle movement and you're into esoteric science, spiritual science, and light worker tutorial knowledge, well, this is your place. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you ring the all notifications bell so that you know when new videos are uploaded. So now, first of all, the first reason you should drink distilled water: it removes non-conductive minerals from your bloodstream. So this is very important. Many people have had the understanding that drinking distilled water removes the minerals from your body, from your bones. And so they avoid drinking. They have avoided drinking distilled water all these years. But now, recent studies have shown that not only does it remove minerals from your body, just like they say it does, it removes the non-electrical conductive minerals from your body. Minerals that are inert, that are not useful to the body. Good minerals remain, but the bad minerals are removed. So, those rumors are not unfounded. However, it is not a complete truth that it will hurt you. Number 2, cleans the body with pure water. Now, our bodies are so convoluted with toxins from all of the different sources of food and water and air that we ingest. We are so clogged up. Our bowels are overflowing. And so having pure H2O to refresh and to quench your thirst, but also to release the toxins, the negativity from the physical self is a major benefit to just our daily life, let alone detoxifying and trying to heal from some type of situation. Now, number 3, distilled water decalcifies the pineal gland. So as we are on this spiritual path and we are endeavoring to raise ourselves and understand and be more useful, we need our pineal gland more than ever. So the calcification caused by fluoride in our water and our toothpaste has caused us to be a little bit out of touch. First of all, you're going to want to remove fluoride from your diet, from your system right now. How you do that is something we'll discuss in future videos. But a major step is drinking distilled water. So distilled water will help decalcify the pineal gland and help you get your higher senses back. And there you have it. The 3 reasons why you should drink distilled water. If you're not drinking distilled water, I'd like to know why in the comments. If you do drink distilled water, I'd like to know about that as well. Make sure you like and share this video. If you want to reach me on Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you can reach me at Ezechi Ade and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.